Nagbabalik ang GQ.
The development of the computer mouse went through a lot, from the best ideas of great inventors. The very first computer mouse was held by an American inventor, Douglas Engelbart, showing the wheels that make contact with the working surface. Jean-Daniel Nicode, a Swiss computer scientist, and André Guinard, a Swiss engineer, updated Engelbart's invention. This is Smaky Mouse, the first modern computer mouse using an optical encoder, and in 1972, Bill English invented the so-called ball mouse. At syempre, mas pina-high-tech pa nito ng panahon. Sa ngayon, gumagamit na tayo ng laser mouse which was introduced by Logitech in 2004. Ang galing! The voice industry has been part of our lives, but it has never been this much talked about. So the man behind the company of Creative Voices is here to shed some light on what is the voice industry like.
Hi, I'm Pucholo, the Voice Master Gonzales. Ako'y ang CEO at Managing Director ng Creative Voices Productions. Mga 3 years na ang Creative Voices. But it was registered in 2005. Ang una naming pangalan, Universal Productions. 1 year kami nag-run pero pinalitan ko ng Creative Voices Productions.
This guy is not just your typical person in charge because he himself is a voice artist. At madalas mo siyang maririnig dito sa Hero TV.
Mula sa experience ko bilang isang voice talent, nakita ko yung potential kasi ng voice-over industry sa Philippines.
From his experiences, hindi na nakapagtataka kung bakit gano'n na lang kalapit sa puso niya ang industriyang ito. And his reason on why he established Creative Voices?
Basically, ang nangyari, nakita ko yung mga voice talent, they just wait eh. Ibig sabihin, pag walang project, walang kakainin, walang trabaho eh. Sabi ko, why not create rather than wait? So, I'm creating projects for my fellow voice artists. Vision ng aming company, ang Creative Voices Productions, is to make the Philippines the center of voice-over industry in Asia. Alam naman natin na mga Pilipino lang ang pinakamagaling na English speaker sa sa buong Asia.
What's also special with this company is that they do have the facilities to boast, kahit na simple lang ang dating.
Basically, ang gamit namin ngayon ay state-of-the-art technology. Importante yung raw voice eh. Nag-aaral din kami ng sound engineering. So, kaysa mag-hire ka pa ng ibang sound engineer, edi kami na lang gumawa para mas makatipid din.
And their principle is that they are pro-talent, not pro-client.
Siyempre, without our voice, wala kayong mapapakinggan sa TV o sa radyo. Pinopromote namin ang voice acting bilang isang art. And also a career. Pero hindi racket. Gusto kong iparating sa inyo na mga voice talent ay mga voice artist.
This company does not only pride on being a voice company, but they do also offer dubbing workshops, which they call VoiceWorks, na hindi naman matatawaran ang mga nagtuturo dito.
Ang Creative Voices kasi ay meron kaming ginawa na kauna-unahang voice acting at dubbing workshop. Ito ay pinangungunahan ko at ni Mr. Brian Ligsay na aming workshop director. At kasama rin si Danny Mandia. Nandiyan rin sila Alex Agkawili. At si Neil Tolentino, yan isa sa pinakamagaling na director at writer sa dubbing. Yan mga teachers namin. At patuloy kaming naghahanap din ng mga bagong teachers na pwedeng magturo. Kasi eto, nag-focus lang muna kami sa dubbing. Kasi sa matagal ng panahon, hindi nagkaroon ng professionalism eh. Naiiba at nabubukod tangi ang aming workshop kasi ang mga nagtuturo dito nga ay mga direktor na may mahigit na kung pagsasama-samahin ay 50 taon ng experience. So hindi biro yung 50 taon ng experience na sinamahan pa ng theory, techniques, at ng mga styles.
Creative Voices is setting the level of voice acting to a higher level because like any art, it should get the respect it deserves. It has been another exciting techie episode for you. And if you have anything in mind, share it to us by sending an email to HeroGCube@HeroTVOnline.tv. Till the next episode, only here on GCube.